Fluffy. Hello, my Fluff. Hello, precious Fluff. Look what you and Ruffy have gone and done. You've gone and got a whole brood. This is last one. Last little one. It looks like a little Elijah. You've got your teenage Romeos, your two sons, creating a storm. And you've got little Rosie and Felicity. Oh my goodness me, look at you. You're a beautiful, gentle Fluffy, darling. You're Fluffles, my Fluffles. And look at you, you're beautiful. You're beautiful, precious. You're beautiful. Ah, Fluff. Hello, Fluff. Hello, precious Fluffle. There you are, darling. There you are. No, I've got nothing for you. I've got nothing. Oh, look, here's a teenage Romeo coming. Here's one of your teenage sons. Here's Elijah coming. You don't like him anymore. You don't like your sons anymore. There you are, darling. There you are. I better look after this Elijah.